Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. We're going to be looking at these SmartDevil anti-shock tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's get right into this. First off, we are going to cut right into this box. Let's see what's the best way to do this. Just cut straight through it like that. Rip this right off. And here are some of the specs in case you want to pause and read that real quick. Fully transparent, anti-fingerprint, water and oil repellency, which is great, anti-reflection. But let's go ahead and test it out. And here is the box it comes in, a nice little plastic box. And it's got like a little clip on it right here. So let's go ahead and open that up. I might be opening it up backwards. There we go. And here we've got screen protector accessories, 2 packs, actually 3 packs right here. So that is great to see because I believe there are 3 screen protectors in here. And let's see what we've got here. SmartDevil higher level right here. And it looks like we've got the instructions here. We've got the glass, the user manual, and the accessories. Here it looks like we've got the instructions. Should be super easy actually, because it comes with its own little tray here. I think that is just a great idea, and I wish more companies did that. So let's go ahead and pop this open, see what we've got. Okay, it's also got the camera screen protectors. So this one slid out of its little packet, so I guess we'll use that one. And 3 screen protectors in this package. So we're going to use 1 screen protector, 1 camera protector, and 1 accessory kit, as well as this, which is reusable. So let's see what we've got here. Let's take a look real quick at the screen protector, make sure it looks good. Oh yeah, that looks like a high quality screen protector. It's super thin, so we should have no issues there. Tempered glass, always nice to see. And then of course we got the camera protector and we've got the installer. And then in here we have the accessories. So I'm thinking we're probably going to get a microfiber. Yeah, so we got the dust sticker right here, which these are awesome. I used to not like them, but I actually love them now. They work great. A cleaning wipe, and this is stage 2 right here. This is the microfiber. So, oh wow, they even have it engraved on there too. That's awesome. So I guess we'll start with step number 1 here, which is the cleaning wipe. Let's make sure it's wet and works well. So let's see. Yep, that smells lemony and it's very wet. So it's got some alcohol on it, which is great to get all the grease and grime off of the phone. There we go. All right. So you want to get the junk off your phone as much as possible. Then you're going to take the microfiber to kind of clean it off and dry it. And this will pick up any of the residue on there that may have gotten stuck, like any dust particles and any liquid, because you definitely don't want liquid on here. So we're going to dry it off really well with this. Makes it super smooth as well. Then what you do is you take your phone, and in my case, I'm going to power it off. And once it's powered off here, it'll make it a little easier. I just go like this, and I get all of the little dust pieces that may have fallen on it right off. And I go over this for at least 1 minute straight. I recommend, just to make sure everything's off, because there are sometimes little bits and pieces that you can't see. And if you want a flawless install, you got to do this. So taking a look at that, that looks pretty much perfect to me. I don't see any dust on there. Of course, I am behind a camera here and in a studio, so you never know what's going to happen. Next up, you just line this piece up like so. Make sure everything is lined up. Now, I did get a little piece of dust on there, so we're going to bring this back in. You set it on just like that. Then you just take this screen protector, peel it off, and literally just set it into this. So I'm going to literally just drop it in. That's it. Then I'm going to press down right in the middle, and the super satisfying part of it adhering to the phone. So now I'm going to take the microfiber and just kind of get some of the dust off of here. Then you can lift up this piece, continue to push down and get some of these bubbles out, because these will go away on their own. You can see they just go right to the edge, and you just kind of push them out like so. Super simple install. And any of these little spotches like this that are right near the edge, these typically come out within 24 hours. So no worries there. And there we go. That is looking flawless. I didn't do anything special, nothing fancy, just using this alignment tool. And look at how perfect that is. Look at the lineup. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now let's go ahead and test it out, make sure it works good. So I'm going to power up the phone. And while this is booting up, I'm going to go ahead and install the camera protector, which is very easy to do. You kind of just peel it off of this, take it, line it up as best as possible. It kind of lines itself up, to be honest with you. You do want to clean your camera lenses off first, but mine were already very clean. And that's it. You just stick it on there and you're good to go. Just like that. And these do have black rings around them to stop with the flashback issues that some people have. So this should mitigate that. And now the phone is booted back up. Let's go ahead and take a look. Absolutely flawless, no bubbles, nothing, no issues at all. It looks so good. You can see the edges how perfectly it aligned. And all I did was literally just drop it in, nothing fancy. Now, the main thing I check for is this swiping up down here, because sometimes that can be annoying if the screen protector is not super smooth there. And this one is very smooth. That is very nice, actually. And swiping between pages, there is no issue there either. Everything on this protector feels really good. So again, guys, this is the SmartDevil Screen Protector. I highly recommend it. It installed flawlessly and it feels really good. There's no rough edges or anything. And it comes with a 3-pack for a very reasonable price, so I highly recommend it. Check it out, guys. Links to it down below. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.